बहुत गर्मी भी यहाँ पर है सर।
अच्छा, so you can check a meeting is now streaming live on YouTube. हाँ, यहाँ तो बारिश हो रही है।
ये
हाँ,
someone is there?
you can check meeting is now streaming live on YouTube. Okay, so let's start the session now. Okay, IP address में अभी आपने क्या what are the things you remembered? Let's start from asking questions to Tabriz. याद है या सारा?
IP address. Four types of IP address. Right, public, private, static, dynamic.
Okay.
Oh, we studied like class A, class B, class C.
Okay.
And subnets. We do subnetting.
Okay. समझ में तो आ गया ना आपको?
Just let me know the simplest way you guys are like calculating. Remember, you're trying to making me long.
Okay. I will tell you that. So very simple. I will make it this guy first. I will not record the session. Okay.
Okay. Because people, yeah.
Okay, because already is I'm live on YouTube. Later also they can watch it, right? So let me share.
My camera is clear or no? Or the lights is?
Yeah, your camera is not clear.
Not clear?
Because background light, I think we should sit opposite to the light.
Yeah, that's right. Because I have to like move the table, so. Oh, what I can do? There you go.
I think you can see the screen, right?
Yes, I can see clear.
So first understand. So as we had discussed the last session regarding the IP addressing. Okay. So actually it is a 32-bit size, the size of the IP addressing. So yes. What is the size of MAC address?
MAC?
Yeah.
48-bit?
Yeah, 48-bit, the size of the MAC address. So IP address size is 32-bit.
32.
Okay. If you talk about IPv6 is 128. 128. 128. Okay. So now it has got 4 octets, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. So it is divided into dotted format. It is a logical address. So it is a decimal format. Support the versions. Means in this talking about it will support for even IPv6. Okay. So as example, okay, you have one PC here. We have one more PC. So here we are assigning the IPv4 address, and here you are going to assign your IPv6. Got it? Means you can able to communicate with each other. For example, this is my 192, okay, so 168.1.1. So here we can say example, FID : FDHC : 0001. So in this way.
Yeah.
Got it. Good morning, Lakshman.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you
Sorry
doing?
for the late.
Yeah, no
Good,
issues.
sir.
Just now we have started, Lakshman.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just now, because
Okay, okay.
actually today we are also late.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, so
Okay,
I have one of my student, ex-student. His name is Tabrez Ali. He's working in US in California.
Okay.
Tabrez,
Hi, Lakshman.
he's
Hi, sir. Hi.
ठीक ठाक है सब चल रहा है
सब कुछ बढ़िया है.
बढ़िया है अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके यार मेरे हिंदी उर्दू दोनों आती है तो दिक्कत मत लेना कि हिंदी कुछ इंग्लिश सब दोनों चलती है
ओके हमको इंग्लिश ज्यादा नहीं आते लेकिन हिंदी से बस अच्छे से आते.
ओके नाइस टू मीट यू
ओके सर. Thank you very much.
Lakshman, we are live in this one, YouTube. Okay, so I will send you the link. Okay, you can subscribe and you can watch it later. I'll put it in chat box.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can subscribe. I think you can see. I think I have received, right? Check in the chat box.
Yeah, I can see it.
Lakshman, Tabrez, do you understand Telugu?
Telugu, na. Very little.
Okay.
Lakshman, I'm island born, but I know Hindi and Urdu. Just meeting people, meeting people, catching their languages. So I'm smart in that.
Okay, just Lakshman, just teach him Telugu language to Tabrez Ali. Okay, I'll be teaching only in English because, as you know, that because Tabrez don't understand Telugu. Okay, in case if you don't understand, so you can later I will teach you in Telugu language, no issues. I can speak many languages, Tabrez. Telugu.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, Telugu, Kannada.
Okay.
Tamil. Even I can understand of French and a little bit of Russian as well.
That's good.
Okay. Lakshman, I have received the link, right?
Yeah.
Just in the chat box. Just click on the chart. It will open the YouTube. Right. In the YouTube, what we are happening here, this training. Okay, you can watch it later also in the live. If you
Okay, sir.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
All trainings will be available there.
Okay,
just subscribe and click on notifications, so you will get all the training videos. You can watch it later also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So actually,
Okay, sir.
Okay, the today's topic, what we are discussing, the previous topic, what we have discussed, which you are missing, that is your OSI reference model. Okay, this is one topic, and second topic I had discussed TCP/IP. That's it. So now we are discussing IP addressing, which is very important topic. So today's topic is your IP addressing, what we are discussing. Last class I have explained few basic things, calculation. Almost all, I think 70% of IP addressing we have completed. But again, I'm repeating, as Tabrez Ali want to explain, like in a very simple way of calculating. I will teach you once again this. Okay. So don't get these things. So today's topic, we are going to discuss about your IP addressing part. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask Lakshman. Don't get hesitate.
Okay. Okay.
In case if you are unable to understand, so please ask me in Telugu. I'll explain in Telugu as well.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because right now it is night to Tabresali, morning for us. Okay, so this training will be 2 to 2.5 hours every day.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start the session now. See, first understand what is the main what I'm talking about here. Okay, Lakshman, first understand, repeating once again. Okay, IP addressing, I think you know, right? This is the logical address, IP address. Okay, what are the communication happening based on the logical address, not with the physical address. Physical address is nothing but your MAC address. So MAC address size is your 48 bits. I think you are familiar with the bits bytes, right? Fine. The IP address size is your 32 bit. Remember, the size of your IP addressing is your 32 bit. It has 4 octet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each octet contains how many bits? 8 bits. Fine. So it has been separated by dotted format. You know, right? It's a dotted format. So it is a logical address. It is a name of, it is a decimal format. Okay, it will be not in the binary. It will be in decimal format, not in the zeros and zeros one, because we cannot remember, right? 0101. It's easy to remember this IP address sometime to configuration part. So it support version. Okay, it support version means in IP addressing we have 2 types. Okay, IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, the IPv4 size is 32 bit, what we are discussing now, 32 bit. So IPv6 is your 128 bit. See, once computer, this example, this is my PCA and this is my PCB. Okay, if I use IPv4 address, I can able to communicate with IPv6 as well. Is that simple? Say example, this PC name is Ali. Okay, so this PC name is, let's say example, Lakshman, Subramaniam, Swami, some big name. Okay, so even they can able to communicate with each other, right? Doesn't matter about the name. Got it? Same thing here. This is 32 bit, this is 128 bit IPv6. Means that is what he's talking about. Support version. Support version means it has got capability to communicate with your other IP addressing. Remember, guys. Now, so it supports the unicast, multicast, broadcast. I think you are familiar with the unicast, multicast, broadcast. Okay, so and it also supports the subnetting. It also supports a variable length, fixed length subnet mask and variable length subnet mask and supernetting as well. Okay, so when you are going to do this subnetting part, okay, VLSM and this thing, so you should remember this one, guys, for the mathematical this thing calculation. And today I'll show you the very simple lab. So we'll do the lab as well today. We have the different types of this one, guys, classes. We have the class A, class B, class C, class D, and class E. The range is 0 to 126. Okay, the class A, the first octet. What is this octet, right? What we'll call this is octet. The first octet belongs to the network portion, and remaining 3 hosts all belongs to your host. In class B, 2 portions belongs to your network and 2 octet belongs to the host. Okay, and whereas class C, your 3 octet belongs to your network and only 1 host belongs to your host. And class D, all are belongs to your network. Especially we can say for multicasting. Okay. I hope you understood, right? This one. Just I'm repeating already. Already I explained to the Tabriz. There is one more guy will join from Africa. Hafiz will join Tabriz. Maybe in another 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
From Africa, he will join. Okay. So any question, Lakshman here?
Nothing, sir. Present, no any questions.
Even a question, not adagandi.
లేదు సార్.
Very simple, slow వెళ్తున్నాను. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because these guys already they learn actually. There's some they are missing. One more guy he will come, you know. So only for Tabriz Ali and you are very new for this one.
Okay.
That's the reason I started training, because that guy will come later, because he know already this part. Okay, so let's move on. See, as you know that default IP addressing concept for this thing, I think last class we have discussed this. Okay, so default subnet mask. I think Tabriz, can you explain me what is the subnet mask for this? Default subnet mask for this?
255.
Okay.
.0.0.0.
Okay, where is that? Where am I? Okay, I should be type here. A subnet mask. So 255.0.0.0. Is it correct?
Second one is 255.255.0.0.
Is it correct what I'm typing?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the subnet mask for class B?
255.255.0.0.
Yes, good, very good. Lakshman, ఎలా వచ్చింది ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా దీనికి?
255 ఎలా వచ్చింది తెలియదు. నెట్వర్క్ 255 వస్తుంది, హోస్ట్ 0 వస్తుంది. అది అర్థమైందండి.
ఎలా?
హలో, నెట్వర్క్ ఉంటే 255 వస్తుంది. అంటే 6 తర్వాత హోస్ట్ ఉంటే 0 వస్తుంది.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకే, ఐడియా ఉంది మీకు. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇలా చెప్తే నాకు కొంచెం కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ఏబిసిడి నుంచి చెప్పాలంటే కష్టం అవుతుంది నాకు. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ గుడ్ ఐడియా. ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఓకే, నౌ యూ టెల్ మీ హౌ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ బికెమ్ 255?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, so see, when you add this all, it will become 255.
Okay.
If elante, see, first understand, Tabriz, I think you are also is not clear, I think, for you also. When you add this all, okay, that is your 128, okay, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So it will become your 255 here. This is what the 255.
నెట్వర్క్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చినా 255 వేయాలి, అంతే కదండి?
Yes. So network ఎలా వచ్చింది? We have to put 255. All bits are high. అర్థమైందా? Okay. So now,
actually,
yeah, Tabriz.
So like you get a 255 over there. So what do you call like it's like all this, like it's like a formula. It's like a formula.
No, it's not a formula, Tabriz. It's not a formula. When this all bits are high, because the default one for the class A, first octet belongs to your network portion. Okay, this all will belongs to your host. Okay, so when it belongs to the network, means obviously that all 8 bits will be high. And depending, these all are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is second octet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This all are this. When you add this, became your 255.0. Okay, 0.0. Okay, this is belongs to your class A. Okay, same thing for class B. First 2 octet belongs to your network. Got it? Same thing here. Class C, 3 octet belongs to your network. Okay, then all bits are high, then 255.255.0.
So they like conversion into binary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understood, right? If you don't understand, tell me, because this is very important topic, guys, because in entire career, even if you learn the cloud, okay, your cyber security or networking, and even if you go for any application side also, your automation, okay, you must be perfect in that. That's the reason second time I'm repeating again. Because for other guy Hafiz, he already knew about it. For him, no problem. I think he joined, I think. Let me check. I think he's...
Yeah, he's there.
No, he's not there, I think. Because for him, is 5 o'clock in the morning. He must wake up.
Oh, okay.
For him is 5 o'clock morning. Okay, understood, right?
Yeah.
So now, Lakshman, please understand, for the class A, these are the range. See,
Okay.
0
Fixed range.
fixed range.
Fixed and okay.
This is fixed one. This is a fixed one. That is 0 to 126. Okay, whenever you write any IP address, say example 10.1.1.1, that obviously this belongs to which one? Class A. Within this range,
Okay.
suppose if you write, say example 172.16.1.1 means this belongs to your class B. Class B. Class B.
170. Okay, 172. Okay.
172 means within that 128 to 191. Within that, whatever the IP address belongs to your class B. When you write this 192, 168, 1.1, this belongs to your class C. Perfect. And when you use this 224, 239 belongs to your class D because all are belongs to the network. Okay, I will tell you for this one 224, okay, .0.0.9, okay, 0.10, 0.5, 0.6. These all the IP address are reserved for multicasting. Multicasting. Say example, these two IP address. So these two IP address 0.5, 0.6 belongs to your OSPF. Open shortest path first routing protocol, one of the famous routing protocol widely used in the organization. And very interesting protocol. We are going to do it lab for that. We'll learn about the OSPF. For every this multicasting, we'll use this range. 224.0. 224.0.1. These are the range. So I have noticed here something is missing. Tabrez here. Is it anything missing here? Tabrez.
Yes, sir.
Anything missing here? లక్ష్మణ్ గారు ఆంధ్ర వాళ్ళు మ్యాథమెటిక్ లో చాలా ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ఉంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఏం మిస్ అని చెప్పండి నాకు. ఒకటి మిస్ అయింది ఇక్కడ.
ఎక్కడండి?
క్లాస్ ఏ, క్లాస్ బి, క్లాస్ సి. దీంట్లో ఓకే ఒకటి మిస్ అయింది. Tabrez, I told you about it.
127. Hello?
Yes, perfect. Perfect, Lakshman.
Okay,
Tabrez,
thank
where
you.
are you, man?
Oh,
What, man? See, look at the Lakshman. He's telling a perfect answer, right? Can you see? So 127 is missing right here. Okay, that is 127.0.0.0. Okay, why it is used, Tabrez, you tell me. I told you,
this
right?
is
Last week.
yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead.
That's our I forgot, sir. So, loopback address, right?
Okay, this is for your loopback address. Okay, so now I'll tell you what is loopback address. It is a virtual IP. Virtual IP address. Okay, why we are using this IP address? Why it is reserved 127? Okay, it is used for your interface. See, I think you might know about the NIC card, right?
Yeah.
Network interface card. I have seen Lakshman.
That's it.
NIC card.
No, sir. Nick.
మీకు ల్యాప్టాప్ లో వీల్ కనెక్ట్ RJ45 ల్యాన్ కేబుల్ కదా.
ఏంటి సార్
ఇప్పుడు ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఓకే యూ విల్ కనెక్ట్ ల్యాన్ కేబుల్ రైట్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్నెట్.
మొబైల్ హాట్స్పాట్ సార్.
మొబైల్ హాట్స్పాట్ కాదు, మీది కాదు. మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఎన్నికల ఒక RJ45 ఇది ఉంటుంది కదా.
ఓకే.
పోర్ట్ ల్యాన్ కనెక్ట్ కేబుల్ చూసారా?
ఓకే ఓకే, అర్థమైంది సార్.
అర్థమైందా?
పోర్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ల్యాండ్ సార్.
మీకు కావాలంటే చూపిస్తాను ఇంటర్నెట్ లో. అది షో యు.
అదే సార్. అదే ట్రీ టైప్ ఉంటుంది, పైన ఒకటి ఉండి కింద రెండు కనెక్షన్ వస్తుంది అన్నట్టు.
రెండు ఇది ఉంటాయి కదా కనెక్షన్ గా. ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇది? ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంటుంది చూడండి. యూ క్యాన్ సీ రైట్.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we'll connect. We'll use RJ45 connector. RJ means register jack 45.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll connect the cable right for internet. Ippudu vachi inbuilt vastunayi. Now it is coming inbuilt in your laptop and desktop. No need to buy this card.
Okay.
Inbuilt vastunayi on your motherboard. Okay, where we can connect. So now I'll tell you very important thing here. So the loopback IP, it is used to assign this IP address to check whether this NIC is working or not. It is used for testing.
Okay.
Testing and diagnosis. So example, even suppose the IP address, actually IP address, say example 192.168.1.100. Okay, this is the IP address. Okay, now there is no communication is happening for this. Maybe I think this is down, this is not working. So what they will do is, so what they are going to do, okay, they will assign the loopback IP. That is range from 127.0.0.1. Then you will check this whether this NIC is working or not. This is the NIC card, network interface card.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So next, just come back to our topic now. So that is 120 is used for the loopbacks. It is a virtual IP address. It is used to check the diagnosis, or it is used for testing. Okay, remember that. I hope it's clear, right? Tabrez, any question?
So this the default IP will be for that registered jack for any PCs. It
Default
will be a
IP
default one, or it will change, right? Or there's the default one.
for the loopback.
Yeah, loopback. That will be the default, right? Like 127.
Yeah, this is default. Yes, this is a default.
Okay.
Okay, 127.0.0.0. It's a default. So in that we
Okay.
can use it. So if you 127.0.0.1, 0.2, okay, up to 255 IP address we can use.
Okay.
We can use it. Okay, so let's do some, I think, subnetting. Do you remember? Subresh, forgot.
Subnetting.
Tension.
Yes.
Mathematical calculation. Very simple. Don't worry. These things. See, I will tell you the solution for this. Okay, so don't take a lot of tension, because for subnetting, there is app available in your Play Store, in your mobile phone. Okay, if you just go to Play Store, I think you can able to download this app. IP address calculator and subnetting. There's a lot of apps available. Like calculator, right? Scientific calculator, standard calculator in your mobile phone. It is already available, right? Same thing, IP address calculator is also available.
Okay.
But being a network engineer, you must know that how the calculation will be happening. Okay, so let's discuss this. Okay, so subnetting is nothing but the process of dividing the big network into the multiple small network. Means this is your big network. Okay, say example, this is my IBM company. Okay, so I am dividing a lot of departments, IT department, security department. Okay, so I'm dividing in the big network into small subnets. In the scenario, we required to calculate the subnetting. IP address might be any IP address. So right now we can, this is the class B, right? And this is your class C. IP address might be anything. Doesn't matter. Okay. The default gateway is for this one is this, and class C is IP address is this. Okay. So let's say, okay. So what is the subnet mask for this? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. And subnet for mask for this is 255.255.0. Right. So I will tell you this. This is called your CIDR. Okay. So what is CIDR? Classless inter-domain routing. Okay. That's the reasons we are doing the subnetting. Now we'll do that. Why do we require the subnetting? So as I told you that subnet required to, when you have the organizations where you have to divide the network to avoid the unnecessary broadcast storm in your network. Remember that. Okay. And at the same time, so you should remember this, guys. I will show you this slide, Lakshman. Already I shared to these guys. So
yeah.
This slide I'll share you in the chat box. You can download. I'll send you this all the slides material.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
In the chat box you can download from your side. That's the reason, because laptop is very important for you, Lakshman.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Better to take the high-end laptop, because invest on yourself. It will pay you back.
Give me some ఎంతంత ఏ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి సార్, తర్వాత ఒకసారి ఖాళీ ఉంది అంటే రేంజ్ అంటే ర్యామ్ ఒకటి ఎంత ఉండాలి ఏంటంటే తర్వాత ఒకసారి నాకు చెప్పండి సార్, ఆ రేంజ్ లో నేను తీసుకుంటాను.
ఫేస్బుక్ లో చాలా లైక్ యూజ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ యువర్ బడ్జెట్. Okay, better to go for 16 GB minimum with 512 GB of your SSD hard disk. Okay. Don't go for SATA. And i7 with 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th generation. This one.
i7.
Okay. With processor. That is very important. Let me write it down here. So, because you know, i7 maybe 8th generation or 9th generation or 10th or 11th. If it is it costs you the expensive. Okay, the used refurbish also available. So I recommend for your 16 GB of your RAM. That is your minimum DDR4 Okay, 5 toll SSD. This is sufficient for to install this one, because where you can learn other things like your FI load balancer, a Palo Alto firewall, a Fortinet firewall. So this is sufficient as per my understanding.
Okay.
RAM minimum 16. Okay, use this thing like whichever depending upon your budget. If you go for new one, so I recommend for you to go for I think i9 also has come. I think 11th or 12th generation, and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi I think 802.11an. Good morning, Hafiz. How are you, man?
Yeah, good morning.
How are you doing, man? Still you are on the bed?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, nice to see you back, guys. So there's a new guy here, Mr. Lakshman from India.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Lakshman, he's Mr. Hafiz from Africa, West Africa.
Okay.
He was my ex-student in India. He came to India for CCNA, CCNP. He already learned.
Oh,
So he already learned. Again, he's learning. Just imagine how much is very important, this one.
yes, sir.
Understood. Because, you know, and in this training, he's a very intelligent guy. He's senior. Lakshman and Tabriz. A senior guy now.
Okay.
Class leader, we can say. Team leader.
Class leader.
Yeah, team leader.
TL.
Here. Yeah, we are discussing the same thing last class, what we have discussed, where you stopped the IP addressing. Okay. So, submitting, I think we have done, right? Last sessions. So do you have any questions regarding the submitting? Any question, guys? Say, let's say I will take one example. So in my organization, say example, this is my company, say IBM. Okay. So I have the 5 departments. I have the 5 departments. So my manager asked me to do the subnetting. So this is my IP address. So 192.168.1.0 network /24. Okay. Lakshman, can you tell me what is this 24?
24.
Ela vachindi idi? So there is some issue in our side. Okay, what happened? Tabriz?
No. Yeah, I'm also logged in. There's like some issue in the server, but I'm doing it from here. So
Yeah, fine. Okay. And see, and don't answer other guys, because if I'm asking the only question to Lakshman, means only Lakshman must answer.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, Lakshman. So ela vachindi idi?
Please, sir.
Okay. The subnet mask came in. What is the subnet mask for this? So 255.255.0.
Class C.
Correct. Means network, right?
Network host.
Okay. Means for this, how this 255 has come? Because all bits are high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 0. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much is this? This is 8.
258.
This is 8. And this is I. How much will become?
20. Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means when I write this /24 means, okay,
24 bits.
All bits are high. If I write /16 means, this is your
only class B.
Class B. Okay,
Class
if
B.
I write class
Okay.
/8 means this is your.
Oh, okay. Class A.
Understood. Means this only class
Yes,
A
sir.
only first octet, right? This is your
Okay.
in this one network host here. In the class B, network, host.
Network, host.
Right. In the class A, only network, host. That's the reason we are writing.
Clear. Okay. Clear. It's clear, sir.
Clear, right?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. So let's come back now. Okay. So now my requirement is, see, this is my company name where I'm working now. Okay. So I have the 5 different departments in my organization. Okay. In my organizations, I have the 5 different departments. Okay. So this is the IP address has given my manager. So please do the subnetting and assign for the end user devices. End user devices means like different department. Say first department is your IT department, IT, and second department is your security, and third department is say your admin, fourth is your accounts team, and fifth thing is anything but you can say management. So it's like 5 departments. Okay, the IP address what he has given. So now the requirement is 5 department, right? Now, how many network you will get? The question is here. Let me write it down here. The IP address what he has given. So 192.168.1.0/24. Right. So 5 departments. So now the question is, how many network you will get in this IP address?
3.
How many?
3, sir. 3.
3. How?
24,888. Class C.
How many network, and in each network how many IP? This is the question.
Okay. First question, how many networks? 3 networks, sir. Class C, 3 networks.
Okay. How did you calculate it?
24 means 88838 some 24. That's why I say class C.
Okay. So as I think you are understood that you're talking about this all octet belongs to the network. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now this last octet belongs to the host. Okay, we should calculate only for the host. I want to see how many network and how many IP address in each network. I must know now. So as it is a class C IP address, so last octet belongs to the host. So we have to calculate only for the host. Remember that.
Okay.
Okay, so now there is a formula, very simple formula for that. I think to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets. The number of subnet, how many I want? I want 5.
5.
I want 5. Tabrez, are you there, right? Tabrez, I think he has got some internet issue. Are you there, Tabrez? Tabrez Ali? Okay, I think he already know, but it's very simple. So to the power of n is greater than equals to number of subnets. Okay, that is 2 times, I think 3 times equals how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, right? Means number is greater than equals to number of subnets. So number of subnet, how much we want? 5. The condition is should be greater than equals, not less than. You understood? 2. What is it now? N value now? N value became 1, 2, 3. This is the n value. You understood? I hope you understood, right? There's a lot of way, Lakshman, to calculate. I think this is the way I know. Hafiz, do you have any idea about this other way to calculate the subnetting? There's a lot of ways. Because I know, because most of the things like I use these techniques to calculate the subnet. Very simple, because it should be number of subnet. Because if you have the 5, even it is the same. If you require the 8 subnets, also same. N value became your 3. Same. Like 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 equals 8. Because for 8 segment also same. N value 3. You understood, guys?
No, you wanted 5 subnet, not 8.
What it will be? So first understand what I'm trying to say. See. Let me go down. See, this is my IP address. So I want the 5 subnets. Okay, IP address is 192.168. So 1.0/24. Okay, the formula, I think what the formula I told you that that is 2 to the power of n should be greater than equals to your number of subnets. So I'm asking Hafiz, do you have any other way to calculate this in a very simple way so that so Lakshman and Tabriz can understand better for this?
Oh, not really.
Okay, there's many ways we can calculate. Don't worry, because I told you already this in mobile app is available, IP address calculator. So you can download from your Play Store or in Apple stores, in Android also available. So very simple calculation you can do. So the as required in 5 subnets, 2 times, I think 3 times 2 equals 8. So is this satisfying this one formula, right?
Yeah, the question should be
sir.
now, how do you get the 8?
2 to the 4, 4 to the 8.
8.
Yeah, I know 2 raised, well, how do you manage to get the 2 raised to the power of 3?
Yes, 2 raised power 3 greater than equals to your number of subnets. That is 2 into 2 into 2, that is became your 8. That's it. Now your n value will become your 3.
3. So number of 2s, there's 3, right? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. So now, as you can see, this is the same IP address. Okay, I will take this last octet. What is the last octet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? Lakshman, just see here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the n value 3 is, remember, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this will become the network portion and this will become your host portion. Lakshman, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Arthumenda?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can see, 1, 2, 3. 2 times 3 equals how much? 8. Means
8.
will become 8 network. Okay, 8 network starts from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think you know the octal value, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing here. I think something missing. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. I think from here I'm missing.
0, 1, 1.
Let me write it down. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Okay. Now this is became right. So now how many IP address now? This is the this one, right? This is the 8 network. Okay, in one network, how many IP now? How many IP address will get? Tabrez, you tell me. Hafiz, just don't tell this answer. Let Tabrez answer this.
8, right?
8 network we got. 8 network. So in each network, how many IP address I will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bits is high, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how many IP address will get in one
Into the
network?
power of 5. 3.
3 IP address?
No. I was just
Hmm.
calculating it.
I will come to California and screw you, Tabrez, if you're not doing this.
So it's like 2 to the power of 5, right? For,
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Then
So if to calculate that,
ఏమైనా ఐడియా ఉందా లక్ష్మణ్?
తెలియదు సార్, అదేమో మీరు ఏమైనా ఫార్ములా చెప్తారు, నేను చూస్తున్నా. అంటే మీతో
అదే
ఆఫీస్
తెలియదు.
వాళ్ళు
2 IPs, right?
Oh man, Tabrez. See, very simple. This is for the subnetting, right? If you calculate for this one to calculate the host, that is 2 to the power of h minus 2. Okay. So host is how many bits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2. How much will come?
30 to 30,
32 minus
29, 30.
30, right? Minus 2 means
30.
30 IP address.
Okay.
Okay. In each network, how many will get?
30.
32 IP. Okay. Why this minus 2 is, Hafiz, you tell me this, why this minus 2? I think just now he wake up. Okay. See, minus 2, as I told you that in last class, okay, the first IP in the network is used for multicasting and broadcasting. Tabrez, understood? First IP
Yes.
and last IP is used for multicast and broadcast.
Okay.
That's the reason we are using minus 2. Means in each network you will get 32. Okay. Now you calculate 32 into 8. How much will become?
256.
How much?
256.
Is it correct? We got it?
256. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But it's come to 0 to 255 in one octet. Means it became 256. Correct, right? तबरे समझ में आया नहीं, सर पे घुसाया नहीं, घुसा पक्का. లక్ష్మణ అర్థమైంది అది? I will tell you what is this multicast and
broadcast.
Very simple guy, I will tell you. See, for every team there will be the team leader, right?
Yes sir.
For team leader, so he's the team leader. Will be having a lot of people inside your team. Say this is my green team. The team name is this thing. Okay, he is going to report whom? To manager. Correct?
Yes sir.
And these are all the employees in the companies. Lot of employees, maybe around 50 people. Okay, what is the purpose of multicasting and broadcasting? Is when new update has been received from the CEO from the organizations, okay, he will give update only to the team leader.
organization, right?
He'll give update only to the team leader. The team leader will update to all its employees
Within
there
the
is an-
company.
in the company. Okay,
Yeah.
that there is a multicast IP are used. Means it is a result.
Within the organization, yeah.
For every subnet. Whenever you do any subnet, 2 IP address you must use for multicasting and broadcasting. Remember that.
That is first and last, right?
Maybe you can use, I think last is recommended.
Yeah.
Understood, right?
Mhm.
Any questions here? Do you want to break the break for tea, coffee,
Uh,
for
yeah,
15 minutes?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I just confused a bit.
Yeah, office, yeah.
Here on the question asked was how many, 5 department they have to divide 192.168.1.0/24 into 5 subnet, right? Or 5 network.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it 5 subnet or 5 network?
5 subnets.
5 subnets.
Into 5 subnet. Okay.
5
The
subnets.
confusion is how do we derive at the 2 raised to the power 3 and then 2 raised to the power 5?
What is the formula here? The formula what I given, okay. So 2 to the power of n must be greater than equals to your number of subnets.
Subnet, yeah.
Okay, number of subnet is what? How much here? 5.
5.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 to the power of 5.
No, it's not 2 to the power of 5. Okay. To reach to 2 to the power of 5, so how do you reach that one? So 2 times 2, how much? 4, right? Is it this formula is not satisfying, right?
Yeah.
Understood? Tabrez, you following me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Office 2 times 2, okay, it's not satisfying this formula. It should be greater, not lesser. Or
Okay,
equals.
okay.
2 into 2, 4 means this, as per this formula, is not satisfying this. Now,
Okay.
again 2. How much will become? 2 times 3 equals 8. So as per the formula, it should be greater than equals to. It should be more or equal, but it should not be less. So that's the reason 2 times 3 equals 8. So it is satisfying this formula. Means for 5 subnets and 8 subnets, okay, what we have calculated, both are same. Means how much you will get? You will get 8 network. Okay, in each network, how many? 32 IP address. 32 IP address will get. Same thing for even for 5 subnet and 8 network, because the formula is like this, right? 2 into 4. Both are same, right?
Yeah. And sir, like if you put like instead of 24 or 26 or 27 or whatever, so still we're gonna get we have to take out the 2 address, right?
Yeah, that is different for every network.
Okay.
So for 8 network, okay, every network, every subnet, you must the 2 IP address you must use for multicasting and broadcasting. Remember that. This is very important. Remember that. Hafiz, understood, right?
Okay, we have the 2 raised to the power 3 will give us 8 subnets or 8 network, right?
Now
So
n value will become 3.
yeah.
Because 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2. N value became 3 now. Now I am taking this last octet. This is the class C. Okay, I am taking the last octet. The last octet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the N value. So what I'm going to, I'm just dividing this here. 1, 2, 3. Now this will become your network portion and this will become your host portion.
Okay.
So now, and this will become here, N value here means it will become your how many network? 2 times 3, 8 network, right? 8 network. How many hosts will get? 32 IP address in each network. If you calculate 32 into 8, it will become your 256. Understood, guys? If you want, you can in your Android phone, your mobile phone, just download your Play Store IP address calculator. So just give these 5 subnets. So it will give all the IP addresses. How many network, how many IP addresses. And to calculate the host, how
So
many?
that means, all right, that means in this calculation, in this particular subnet you gave us to find this network, it's not possible to have the exact 5 subnets, but we'll have more than 5 subnets.
Yeah, it's possible. Let's calculate for 12. No problem this time. So I need 12 subnets. Okay. I have the 12 departments. Okay, Tabriz. So in your bank, right now you are working in California bank, right? So you have the 12 different departments in your organizations. Now you calculate how many networks you'll get, and in each network, how many IP address you'll get, so that you can assign for your end user devices. In your organization, in different department, there are some people they use laptop, some people they use desktop. Same formula. Same thing, what we have calculated. Now, how do you calculate this?
So which one is the?
How many times? I need, now my requirement is changed now. I want 12 subnets. The IP address is, my manager has given this IP address. So let me clean this, just to avoid the confusion. Okay. So instead of 5, so now I want 16 subnets. Sorry, we'll take 12.
For the same network.
Yeah, same one. This is the IP address. Okay, the formula, as you know, that 2 to the power of n is greater than equals to your number of subnets.
You want 12 subnets.
Okay, so now you'll tell me that.
How many IP?
Yeah, so how many networks in?
So how many IP we want?
Okay, how many network in each network? How many IP address?
Subnet, right?
2 into 2 into 2, how much? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, right?
Greater than or equal to number of subnets. So n.
Lakshman, you just try చేయండి మీరు కూడా.
అర్థమైంది సార్. 4 వస్తుంది, 4 కావాలి అంటే 4 అంటే 2 for 4 అంటే 16 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి 12 సరిపోతుంది. 4
n వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 4 వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు.
4 వచ్చిందండి.
ఓకే, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 మీన్స్ ఈ ఆక్టెట్ మేము తీసుకున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే ఈ హోస్ట్ వచ్చి హోస్ట్ ఇది. Tabriz, you're following, right, Tabriz?
Yeah.
See, now the n value has become 4, 1 2 3 4. Now this will become your network portion and this will become your host. And this, how many will get? 16, right? How many will get? 16 network. Okay. So in each network, how many IP address?
14.
How much?
14.
Yes, very good. How 14?
The correct IP, but it's total supposed to be 16 minus 2, yeah, 14.
Right. So 2 to the power of same thing right here. So power of 4 minus 2.
Minus 2.
Okay. Your
14.
14 IP address. Means actually it is a 16 IP address, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is a 16 IP address.
2 are reserved for broadcasting and multicasting.
Broadcasting and multicasting. Same thing. If you calculate that 16 into 16, it will become how much? 16 6 are
256.
correct, right? 250 vachinga.
256. Yes, sir.
So I think only Tabrez, Mr. Ali, Ya Ali. I think in Muharram time, man, people are missing you now. Understood, Tabrez? Man, you are seeing on the camera or you are seeing somewhere else?
No, my Zoom is in, I put it in a big screen. My camera is here on the right side.
I thought you're not concentrating, you're watching something else.
No, yeah, wait, I'll show you, wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. Understood, Hafiz now. Any questions here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is the question for you guys. Now, if this is the calculation what they did, okay, so you'll get 16 network, okay, in each network you'll get 16 IP address. Okay, actually assigned IP address is 14 you'll get, where we can connect assigned IP address for your desktop and laptop and servers also, right? So now, what could be my CADR value now? What could be my CADR value? This is the CADR, right? Right. So this is the first network, right?
Yeah.
So 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the hexa value, right? This is hexa value. Now, okay, network will host will get 16 IP address. Obviously, we'll assign the IP address. Now, what could be my CADR value now? Classless interdomain. It will change, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how it will change? For you, no break, man. I will take tea and coffee. You don't take break for you. No break for you people, guys. I want to know what could be my CADR. It is a default, right? 24 is a default for class C.
5.
This is the class C. This is a default is 24. Now, the first value is this. Change that. This is my first network. What is my second one? 0, 0, 1, 0, right? Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1. Is it I'm going correct? One, 1, 0. I think somewhere I'm missing here.
Yeah, second one. That one.
Yeah. 0,
1, 0, 0.
1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, right? Then 1000, right? And let me. Anyhow, so you can take it this all, okay? So this is my hexa values, right? Hexadecimal. See, in each network, so this will change, right? These values. Tabrez, pay some attention. It's quite very important. Hafiz, you tell me the answer and don't do any Google now. No Google here.
I'm trying to figure out that.
Yeah.
Really
So what could be my CADR value? The default is subnet mask is 224. I mean, that is your 255, 255, 255.0. Okay, this is for /24, right? Correct. Right, this is for the 24. And now subnet has become changed. Now it will change, right? When you are done the subnetting, it will change, right? You understood my question? Lakshman, you understood what is my question?
అర్థమైంది సార్. అది 24 అలాగా అక్కడ డిఫాల్ట్ గా వచ్చింది. అదే క్లాస్
I don't know if we are adding or if we are subtracting, but I think we are subtracting. So
See,
maybe the
this
next
is a default. This is a default 24.
yes.
If the network became change here, one value means, so how we are going to calculate this now? So when you see here, okay, what is the which bit is on? One, I think third bit, 1 to 4th bit, 16. Correct. So how do you calculate this? Just 1 second, guys. Hafiz, you tell me, man.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds. The Beneficent, the Merciful. Ruler of the Day of Judgment.
Hafiz, I'm asking for you, man. Are you there?
We ask for you. Show us the straight path. The path of those.
Yeah, is on CIDR calculator.
Huh?
There is on CIDR calculator on the Google.
I think he's calculating, I think.
But I'm not, I was just looking at it, but I'm not doing anything. I was just looking on it.
Okay, now I will give an idea. Okay, just I think now we can able to answer it. See, so this is how many network you'll get? 16, right? Network coverage, right? So
Yes.
what is the 16th value? I think you know, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, so we're not close by.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. If all bits are high, okay, that is your 128, 64, 32, and 16. How much? These bits are one, all bits are one, right?
10, 0, 2, 10, 14. Yeah.
How much we got? Is it 248 or 249?
240.
240.
240.
Yes.
Correct. Now, the subnet mask for this network is okay 192.168. Okay, one dot. That is what is IP address? I think 64. It will become
1.1.
not 1.1. So it will start
Oh.
from 0 to 31. This is my first network. 32 to 63 is my second network. It goes like this now. I'm not using calculator for you guys. I'm calculating this all. Okay, it goes. I think this is my 16th network. So I think it will become around, I think 16 minus 54. I think 240. I think 0.242. It means 16th IP address, right? So it is my 240 plus 16 means 16 IP address. Now CADR value is how much? 24 plus 25, 26, 27, 28.
28.
Understood? But default is how much? What is default for this? 1.0. Default is 24.
24, yeah.
Default is 24 for the class C. Once if you have done the subnetting, okay, so now my CADR value change, right? ఏమన్నా అర్థమైతే అవుతా ఉందా మీకు?
సార్
ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉందా?
ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గా ఉంది. అర్థం అంటే అన్ని తెలిసినాయి కానండి, ఒక ఆటలో నాకు ఇది అవ్వలేదు అంతే. విన్నవే ఉన్నాయి.
నోన్, ఇవన్నీ నోన్ గానే. ఒక్కసారి మీరు అర్థమైతే దిస్ నాట్ ఎ బిగ్ దిస్ థింగ్. సో సి, సో ఐఎమ్ క్యాల్కులేటింగ్ దిస్. సో ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ IT calculator. Now I'm using it.
So in that, if we're to get the calculation right, so from this one,
yeah,
the first after the 192.160
Hmm.
1.0, so that means the second one will be 192.168.1.16.
This will become, I think you understood this one, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that means the first one will be 16. The first network will be 16.
Yes, first will be the 16 plus 16.
That's 25.
Yes, good. Then the second will be?
The second will be 32.
Yes, very good. And third will be? 2 octet. I think
'Little confused here. The first network you have from 0 to 34.
yeah,
The subnet
just
max will
add
be.
this, add these
Wait,
two. Na?
I'm coming.
64.
Sir, on the first network you're trying to list is 0 to 31. The subnet, the CRDR will be, won't it be 24 instead of 25?
Yeah, first one is 24.
Yeah, 24.
Yeah.
Then the
so
second one
second
will
will
be 16.
Yeah, second one will be 16.
Will be 25, sorry.
Yeah. And third one will be?
25.
26.
26, yeah.
And fourth one will be how much? Again,
First
25.
would be
Is it
another.
correct?
No, it won't be 25. We'll only have one bit on, yeah, will be 25, yes.
Then the fifth one will be?
It's in 26.
Is it correct we are doing?
26.
You just
26,
okay.
26,
I don't
26.
want to stress you more here. Okay, please figure it out. Okay, I want from your side this CIDR value with clear understanding for these guys. Because now I'm going to explain the next topic, that is what is wildcard mask. Next topic. Tabrez, did you understand? You are aware of this wildcard mask? You heard?
Yes, I had, but I blown away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had wildcard mask,
Okay.
but it's blown away.
Okay, you just come up this, I want the CIDR value, because up to here you understood, right? How to calculate the subnets, simple calculations. So now I want from your side to understand my CIDR, classless inter-domain values. I don't want default. Default is for the /8, 16, and 24. Once if you have done the subnet, okay, you can use your calculator, IP calculator address from your mobile phone. We can do it. That is not a big issue. So let me explain this topic today now, which is very important. So wildcard mask. So what is wildcard mask? Wildcard mask is the reverse of subnet mask. I think you are familiar with this one, right? Wildcard mask.
Yeah.
Okay.
0.
For the class A, what is wildcard mask?
0.0.0.255, right?
0.0. Go ahead. Good.
Is it,
Wait, Hafiz, don't answer. Let him Tabriz Ali answer.
I think it's about versa.
0.0.0.255.
0.0.0.25.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so Tabriz, you tell me how it has come.
Okay, because this it's like a reversible IP, right? IP range something.
First understand. So this is my class A. So what is the default subnet mask for this? So 255.0.0.0. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So when you do the minus subtraction for this, okay. So example 255. From this 255.0.0.0. Let me clean this. This is a default one, right? So when you calculation this 0, okay, so 255. Okay, so this is your wildcard mask. Understood?
That's for class C, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is for the class A, Tabriz. This is for class A.
But now the bottom one is for class A or class C?
What is this one? This is the class A, right?
Yeah, that's a class A, yeah.
This is the class A. Okay, now you do it for the class B. Tabriz, you tell me.
Confusing here.
No confusion. Lakshman,
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఏమన్నా అర్థమైతా ఉందా?
అర్థమవుతుంది. అంటే ఎందుకు అర్థమవుతుంది నాకు, మీరు ఈ కంటెంట్ చెప్పంటే చెప్పగలను. అంటే ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ బీలో ఏమొస్తుంది కింద అది చెప్పగలుగుతున్నాను. చెప్పగలుగుతాను. 00 అర్థమైందండి. ఎలా వచ్చింది అర్థమైంది. సింపుల్ చెప్పాలంటే క్లాస్ ఏని 255 బదులు 255 పెడితే వైట్ క్లాస్ మార్క్ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
No, ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ B, okay, what is that class B? This is class A subnet mask, right? This is class A subnet mask. Okay, this is my class B subnet mask. 0.0. Is it correct? 0. If you cancel these two, 0.0.0. 255 255, and this is called wildcard mask. Wildcard mask for class B. Tabrez, understood?
Yes.
Just subtraction, that's it.
But sir, I'm just confused over here. Like the first one, right? We put a class C 255.0.0.0, right?
Yeah.
And the wildcard mask is 0.255.255.255, right?
Yeah.
So why it cannot be 0.0.255.255 and 0.0.0.255? Like vice versa, like class C, we are doing the vice like reversible.
Simple.
Yes.
Yeah, Lakshman, you're saying something?
అదే అంటే ఆయన అన్నారు కదా వైస్ వర్స్ అని, జస్ట్ దానికి క్లాస్ ఏ కి రివర్స్ లో వస్తుంది వైల్డ్ క్లాస్ మాస్క్ అంతే. అంటే 0 ఉన్నక 255 వస్తుంది, 255 కూడా 0 వస్తుంది.
That's it. Because I'm feeding the food like this for you guys, not directly like this. See, very simple. Okay, wildcard mask, see the reverse of subnet mask.
Yes.
Okay.
Very simple. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ గా if you give directly feed to your mouth, will not eat properly, will do some thinking.
For me, I would just understand. What I would just understand is for the white card, just replace the 255. Wherever you see 255, replace it with 0.
Okay. You understood right up to here?
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me for the class C.
Class
255.255.255.0.
The class C will be 0.0.0.255.
This is
Wild
called
mask
a
of class C.
called a wildcard mask.
Wildcard mask for class C.
You understood? All of you understood, right?
Yep. For me,
Yes,
I
sir.
understand.
I will do one thing. I will give small. I will take small break. Okay, you want to?
Amma,
you also
charging
take
asla
10 to 15 minutes break.
charging.
So this is the work guys for you. Right now you have to do it. This is my subnet mask. Lakshman, can you mute your mic?
Okay.
And this is my subnet mask. Okay, 255.255. Okay, 248. And what could be my wild card?
Nice, okay.
Okay.
255.
Okay. Now what could be my wildcard mask?
248, right?
Okay. So I will take break. I will take tea, coffee, and come back. Okay. When I come back, I want answer from your side. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, then I will tell you what is the use of wildcard mask. I will not tell you now. And meanwhile, don't do any Google now from your side. Tabrez.
बहुत लंबा जा रहा है.
You see?
Okay, sir.
No, just because I want to play with you, basketball and volleyball, right?
Yes, good, sir.
We learn from the funny way, man. Technology.
Yeah,
Hafiz. You also try your side. Okay, Lakshman, for you also you try.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, what could be my wild card mask for this subnet? I'll be back in few moments.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm back now. Who will tell the answer for this? Any Tabres, Lakshman, Hafiz? Guys, are you there?
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
So if we're going with the same example we go with, the wildcard would be 0.0.0.7.
Right, this is the wildcard mask. That's it. Tabres, understood?
Yes.
And very important, I'll tell you what is the purpose of the wildcard mask.
Yeah.
Lakshman, you understood, right? Whatever be the value become, suppose if we calculate, I think 224 here, okay, so then just we have to manage with 224, that's it. That's it. That is your 224. So how much will become? 20, I think 26, I guess.
20, 30, 31.
31, yes.
31, yeah.
So it became 31. Now this will become your, if it is 24, then this can become your 31. Okay, this is called your wildcard mask. Now, what is the use of wildcard mask? Okay, router will understand this when you configure with this wildcard mask. Okay, your Cisco routers, the Cisco router will understand this network has been subnetted.
Yes, sir. Can you please tell him to mute your mouths?
I think Lakshman from your side.
Japan, sir. Japan.
Can you mute from your side?
Yeah.
Mine is okay, right?
Yeah. I
Right,
think
okay.
you can hear, right? Lakshman?
Yeah.
See, this is when we are given this wildcard mask, router will understand that, okay, so this network has been subnetted. Means all these high bits will be broadcasted and multicasted if required. It will send all the updates to these all subnets. So if you use maybe 31, 32, okay, your value gets changed. That's the reason we are using the wildcard mask. So I think you notice.
Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Okay, especially for the OSPF, when you're going to configure, so we are configuring by using the wildcard mask. We'll do the lab now. Basic lab we'll do today.
So it's basically gonna indicate that which part of the IP is available, right, for the wildcard mask.
Yeah. So yes.
Something like that, right?
Yeah, something like that. So it will route. We are telling to the router means, so this network has been subnetted.
Okay.
Okay. When you use this, wildcard mask. Yeah.
So it will be like in OSPF and ERGRP, I think they will be using the broadcast, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we'll do some basic lab, guys. Let me jump. I think you should remember, guys, this one. This is quite very important chart. I think I had shared you these slides. Okay. I will share you all the slides. I think you guys already have shared this one. So first bit is high is 28. Okay. I think you know how the 28 has been come, right? I think you know, right? So 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay.
128 is one bit.
Okay, this is 128 and 128 plus 64 is 192 plus 32, 224 plus 16, 240 plus 8, 48 plus 4, 252. Okay, 254, 255. Okay, when you remember this, okay, subnetting is just a piece of cake. When you remember this chart. Okay, so already I think I have shared you these slides. Okay, once you go through, so I hope you can understand this. So let's do some lab, guys, today. I think last week also we have not done any lab. Okay.
So you shared this slide already?
Yeah, I think I already shared you. I think the
maybe.
page number is, you can go to the page number is, so 105.
Okay, we'll look at it. Yeah. Later.
Okay, so 105. So Lakshman and this is the Cisco packet tracer, guys. So what lab will do today? So we will connect the network by using the two routers today. So I will use the CSR router. I will take the two router and to switch, and end user devices I will take two. I will take two laptops to connect. Okay. Now I will take this time serial connections. I will not take this one. As we can see, serial DCE and DTE. So what is different between these two is, see, the DCE cable, DCE and DTE. There are 2 points, okay, where you can connect to the routers. Okay, this is my router 1 and this is my router 2. So data communication equipment and data terminal equipment. Okay, this is called a serial cable.
It's a 9-pin, right?
Yeah, 9-pin.
Yeah.
I think 16-pin, I guess 16-pin.
16, yeah.
16-pin, not 9. 9-pin is for VGA, backside for the monitor you are connecting, right? For the VGA, that is 9-pin. I think DB9 connector.
DB9.
Yeah, DB9 connectors where you are connecting for the laptop, like desktop, backside. So for which will go to your monitor, right? This is a two serial cable. Now the latest has become smart serial cable. So remember that. So we can give the clock rate only for DCE interface. Remember that, not for DTE. We can set the clock rate, bandwidth only for the one side, not at the both side. Remember that. Okay, why? Because only the ISP guy can control your bandwidth.
Yes.
Because when you take the internet connection, okay, so how you are going to, because depending upon how much you pay, so that much bandwidth they will give, right? Like 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps, 300 Mbps. Because we cannot control that bandwidth, right? Only ISP can give how much money you pay, so that much of bandwidth they'll give. Okay, that can be configured only for the ISP side. So he'll configure for your DCE interface, right? Remember that. That lab I want to show you that now. So let's do that. I will take this cable. See, have a notice here. Let me increase the size. Okay. Now it is visible, guys.
Yeah.
See, now we can see. Okay, there is no serial cable here. I cannot connect it.
Yes.
Right, I cannot connect it. Lakshman, are you there, right? Lakshman and Hafiz?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, you're following me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, now we can see, so I cannot see this connector here, this gigabyte 0/0/1 console, auxiliary, and USB. We have USB connection. So what we can do, so just click on this icon. Okay, just make it big here. You can see, right? This is the backside of your router. So we can see there's no serial module inserted inside your router.
Yes.
Okay, so what we have to do? So as we can see, it is already available here. We can see NIM2T is a 2-port multi-protocol synchronization serial interface. So just take this, drag and drop here. So he's showing some error. So cannot add a module when the power is on. Okay, means we have to off this one. Off this button and we can insert it and again on. Okay. So now we can see it is booting. The router is booting, start booting. The same thing this side. This is the ISR router. So ISR router is nothing but an internet service router, 4000 series. This is the latest one, guys.
ISR.
ISR router. This is the latest one. So we can see I'll make it off this one. I'll put this module as well here. So this also get booting now. If you want to see this more about ISR router, so you can check this one here. Cisco ISR router model. So we can see this is the look like CSR router model, yes. Yeah, so this one, guys. This is all the Cisco ISR router. You can see, right? So this is the router which we are using now. This one. Cisco 4331, right? Integrated service router. That is ISR. Okay, so we can see the power card is on and off. So this is the router which we are using now. Okay, like if you want, so I will send you this link in the chat box. So we can go through this. Okay, now you can see. So now you can able to connect it. The link which I shared you guys, we can open and you can go through the documents. So what is CSR router? So now I can able to connect it, right? Can you see now? Serial is available now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we can able to connect it. Okay, so now I will take this automatic connection, guys. I don't want to take manually, so that I can show you this lab. Make it near. Okay, I will take auto right now. Let connect automatically. So every PC it will connect automatically. Okay, so as you know that it will be to become amber color to green color, it takes time. Okay, you know why? Hafiz, here the ARP function, it will send the ARP request to the switch. It's requesting the IP address. But the moment you connect the cable to the switch, okay, it send the ARP request. So please give me the IP address. Please, this is my MAC address. Okay, let me know who I am in the network. Right?
Yeah.
ARP request. Now it has become the green color, right? Okay, once if you get reply, that is called your reverse ARP. So this we shall discuss in coming slide, not now. I don't want to make you confused. Okay, ARP I will discuss more details in coming session. So now let me give the assign the IP address. Okay, so let's say I use this 192.168. This is my 1.1/24. Okay, and this I will give 10.1.1.1/20. Slash how much? Tabrez here? /8.
Yes.
Correct?
Yeah.
So what should be IP address here? Two.
Yeah.
See, right now this interface is down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we should do first?
Configure the router.
Okay, so first we have to configure the IP address for this interface. So when you use this Cisco ISR router, guys, please would you like to enter the initial configuration? Okay, So press no, don't type yes. Okay, then it will take you to your user mode. If you
So
okay, now it is become to your enable. If you take it now, you are enter into the user mode. The commands are very simple command. Okay, show IP interface brief. So here it will show you, okay, which all the interfaces are available in your router. You can see, right? So we have the interface, right? Gigabyte 0/0, which is connected. This is a gigabyte 0/0. Okay.
yes.
So which is connected for your switch. This is your switch. Right. And this is our router. So as per our lab, okay, so let's give the IP address for what is IP address for this interface? 192.168.1.1.
1.
Okay, so configure terminal. Okay, enter into the global configuration mode.
Yes.
Then enter into that interface. Interface gigabytes. So just type GI and this one tab key. Use the tab key. It will complete your command.
So we can also use like for the fast Ethernet we're using the FA/1 or 0, right? But for gigabit we can also do that.
Yes, same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use it. I'm using, right? See, this is the interface, right? This is the interfaces. Right now, this interface is connected to whom? It is connected to switch.
Yeah.
Okay. The switch is where? This is our switch. Is connected. We have entered into this interface. Now we are giving this IP address now.
Okay.
Right. Okay, let's do that. So press here. As we can see, it will take you to your in that interface. So now I can give IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay. So give the question mark. If you don't know about how to use the command, just give the question mark. It will tell you. Okay. A, B, C, D. So which class IP address you want to give? So give the subnet mask. Okay. I'm using which one? This is my class C IP address, right?
C. Yeah.
Class C. So what should be my default subnet mask for this? 255.255.255.255.0. Right? Press enter. That's it. If you give question mark, we can see the command is over.
Yeah.
Now enter. So remember, by default, from the Cisco, all Cisco devices, remember that all interfaces will be in the down state. We have to make it up. Remember that. So until unless you make it up, okay, it will not come up your interface. Okay. For that, what is the command? No shutdown. The moment you have no shutdown, what happens? This red interface, right? Can you see? So this red interface, it became, sorry. Your red interface will become green. This interface. What this interface? It will become green now. Can you see now?
Yes.
It has become green, right?
Changing up, yeah.
Changing up now.
Yeah.
Fine. So now exit EXIT, exit, come back. Now I want to give that for this interface. Which one? Serial.
0 and 0.
Yeah. We can see, right? This one.
Yeah.
Now I will enter into this interface and I'll give the IP address. So I have noticed here, he has set some clock. Can you see?
Yeah. DT that.
Yeah. So means I have to give your clock rate. I have to give the clock rate here. So clock rate can be given only one side of the serial interface, not at the both sides. Remember that. Okay. So let's do that now. So interface serial 0, 0. What is it? 0? I think 0
So
slash
1 0.
0. Yeah. Now, how to check whether it is a DCE interface or DT interface? How to check? Let me assign this IP address first. I'll show you that. IP address. What is the IP address here? 10.1.1.1. Okay, what should be my subnet mask? 255.0.0.0. Is it correct? Okay. So I'll give no shut. So still it is in down state. You know why? Because for other side also I must assign the IP address for this side also. Then only it will come up.
It will be pointed. Yeah.
Right. So other side also I must assign the IP address. Okay. So now we can see, we can set the clock rate here. So clock rate, if you give the question mark, okay, I have given this question mark here. I have given the question mark here. So you can see this is the range where you can set your clock rate. Default is 56 and 64. So depending upon the cable speed and bandwidth, so some people they'll use optical fiber cable. Okay, so depending upon the cable speed, we can set your clock rate. So right now I will use 64,000 here. Okay, so I say no shut and end. End means it will come to your router. So even you can change your router name also, right? Go to global configuration mode, host. This is your ISP router. So it will change to your ISP router.
Yeah.
Fine. Just end. Now, how to check? Okay. How to check this interface? This interface is DCE or DTE. Okay. How to check this? Whether this command, what is the command? It's a very simple command. Show the interface serial 0/1/0. We can see this command
not set.
Right. So this hardware is SDLC. This one IP address we have assigned. MTU means maximum transmission unit. Bandwidth is, this is the bandwidth. Okay. So where we can see this one is not showing, means show controller, give the question mark. Okay. What is this one? Serial 0/1/0, right?
Yes.
Right. We can see, right? So this is your DCE interface. Clock rate, what we have set? We have set to
6,400.
6,400.
4,000. Yeah.
Yes, I think, right, we can see right here.
Yeah.
So we have set the clock rate here. Like this, you can come to know this is our DCE interface. Fine. Same thing if you check from this router. Okay, right now see we are not configure anything. Show controller. Show controller serial 0/, let's see,
010.
0/0. So we can see this is DTE.
Version 35.
Right. This is DT. Guys, when you do this one, troubleshooting in the organization, in the company, okay, so this command is really helping. Okay, the command is very similar. There are other lot of parameters we can see. I don't want to explain about this now. Okay, so this is the command, show controller serial interface. Okay, so now let's come back to this router now. So now how to check show IP interface brief.
Brief.
So as we know, now these two interfaces are up. Got it?
Yes.
Right. So this is up now. We are given this 1.1, status is up, protocol is up. Okay, serial interface, we have given this IP address, right? This IP address what we have given here. Okay, now status is down still. Because from other side also we should give. This is one more router right here.
Yeah.
And there also we should give the IP address. Okay, once you have given the IP address, it will come out. Okay, the new thing I'll tell you guys today. Now, these are the list of IP address PCs I have connected here. Okay, so now I want to assign the IP address. Just click on the PC, configuration or desktop, IP config, and static.
Yes.
Manually, we'll give the IP address, right?
Yes.
Correct. So now I will not give the manually. I want to get IP address automatically. Okay, to get the automatic IP address, so what we should configure?
DHCP.
DHCP. Very good. Okay, DHCP option is there, right? To DHCP. So dynamic host configuration protocol. Because in your organization, maybe you'll be having some thousands of computers. We cannot go individual computers and assign manual IP address, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can see DHCP fail. APIPA has been used. 169 range, 254, 140, 197. Okay, so how to configure DHCP? So go to global configuration mode. So IP DHCP, give the question mark. Okay, create the pool. We'll create one pool. Okay, and then authorize your IP address to the users like a laptop or desktop.
Yeah.
IP DHCP pool, say he's asking the pool name, say example
HR.
HR team.
Yeah.
The pool name is team, HR team, because HR department, we can say HR department. So
Yes.
now network, and which network we are using? 192.168.1.0. Remember that.
One for the router, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, this is start from 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 up to okay 1.255. Remember that. Okay, now 1.0 is not the IP address. This is your network ID.
Yeah.
This is your network ID. This is not the IP address. Remember that. Okay. So let me do that now. Incomplete command. Okay, now he's asking net mask. What is the net mask? 255.255.255.0.
0.
Okay, what is the default gateway for this? Default router ID
192.168.
1.1. Because default gateway for this router is same this one. This is the default gateway. Because when this PC want to communicate with this laptop, means it has to go via this default gateway and come back. When this PC want to communicate to this PC, he must go and get gateway and come back. Same thing, this one also. Okay, that is the default gateway. Okay, default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, if you want to give DNS, you can give DNS server. I can give 8.8.8.8. This is the Google, this one, guys. I think you might know, right? If you want, I'll show you this. So ping 8.8.8.8. We are getting reply, right?
Yeah.
Even you can ping to your Google. I'm getting reply. Means we have connected. Same thing. Can you check for 9? Okay, because the only one IP Google people has given only 8.8.8.8. So make it habit. We can use the same IP address for 8.8 for all our internal network. So right now we are talking about your internal network. Is showing some conflict. Default router ID. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, DNS has given. So IP DSCP exclude 192.168.1.1. So let's see now DSCP configuration we have done. How to check the DSCP configuration, guys? Show IP.
So IP brief.
Show IP DSCP pool.
Oh,
Okay.
cool.
Okay, so this is what we have configured, DSCP. Now these PCs must get automatic IP address now, right?
Mhm.
Can you check now? See, already has got it. Can you see?
Yeah. 1.2. Yeah.
Correct. He has got it now. 1.2. Okay, default gateway is this.
So it gives automatically the IP, the subnetting plus the gateway, both, right?
Yes, yes. We have configured, right?
Yeah.
We have configured this all. Same thing. Check for this PC now. Desktop, IP configure. Now it is static. Okay, we don't want static. We want automatic.
Okay.
Should get the IP address from our router. So
Yeah.
DSCP request
Yeah.
successfully. This is 1.3. Can you see?
Yeah.
1.3.
Yes.
And gateway is subnet mask. And see default gateway 1.1 and DNS server 8.8.8. Fine. So same thing for this laptop. Go to desktop IP. So DSCP. Just select the DSCP. So it's calculating a 1.4. And same thing for this as well. Okay, so we are getting the IP address.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to check the IP address from the PC?
IP config.
Yes. So IP config. It will show you what is your IP address.
Plus
Can you see? So this is the IP address.
IPv4, yeah.
Okay.
Plus the
So,
gateway too, huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
You can ping to gateway 192.168.1.1. We are getting reply, right?
Yeah.
Right. Packet sent 4, right? Received 4 and lost 0. No packet loss.
Yeah.
Understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you ping to other PC? Right now we are ping to gateway. Okay. So can you ping to 1.2?
Yes.
We are getting reply, right?
Uh-huh.
Right. So packet sent 4, received 4, loss 0. There is no loss of packets. Means data, there is no data loss here. Means they have communication to each other. So actually, what is the IP address for this? What is the IP address for this PC? This is 2, right? This is 2, right? And this guy is 3. And this guy is 4. I will send you this topology, guys. I will send you this entire file.
Okay.
1.5.
Right. So everybody has the now communication now. Okay, there's other way we can able to communicate here. So use PDU, protocol data unit. Just select that one, click this PC to this laptop. You can see successful ICMP.
Don't jump.
For pinging, we are using ICMP protocol to communicate. Understood, guys? Okay, we can use the PDU. We can ping the laptop to laptop. Yes, we do have successful. We do have the reachability. They have the communication now. Okay, now we can see we cannot communicate to this PC now. This PC to this PC. Because PC has no function ports. We cannot communicate. Only inside you can able to communicate. Okay, this lab will do it by tomorrow. Okay, so what I will do? So I will put it some coloring all in that. I will send you this file. Okay, so that we can do from your side. July batch. Okay, this is the batch. And this is the lab 2.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, this is a lab
Nice.
2. So I will also export these logs. Where is the lab 2? I think lab.
TWO.
Yes.
Just put
Huh?
TWO.
Yes. Very smart. I think you're working in banking center, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me open this, whether it will open or not.
Oh, it's not.
Unable to open. Okay. I'll do one thing.
I think
I'll send in
I
the
think-
chat box.
I think it requires the number over there. Huh?
No, I'll send you this thing. Please try to open from your side. I think there is
Okay.
some problem with this thing.
The packet tracer, the saving.
Or not packet tracer. I think these 2 file. Okay, I'll put it in just a chat box. Okay, from my computers. And try to open from your side. Especially text file, Tabrez and Hafiz and Lakshman. So please try to open this text file, because last week also is not opening. I don't know why.
Okay.
Please open from your side. I have sent a one file, lab file, PKT file, and text file.
So we open the both file.
Yeah, open a text file first. Whether can you able to see all the commands? What are the commands I had typed? So that commands will be available on that
Lab.
Yeah. I'll also try to open.
No, it's okay.
It's not opening from your side also.
I said, keep quiet, guys, please. Keep quiet, sleep. Good girl. Sorry for that, guys.
Yes, I can able to open. Can you see, right? So this
Yeah.
these are the list of command, right? What I typed. See, I have configured DHCP, right? From here, DHCP configuration.
Yes, I can see, sir, also.
You can able to open, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the Office?
Yeah, you configured the wait, let me see. Tuesday, July. Oh, yeah.
Correct, right?
18, 11, 11.
These are the logs.
Yes, I can see it. Yeah, it's on the logs. Yeah, I can see it, sir.
Okay, all the commands is available now.
Yeah, open too.
Okay, what about Lakshman? In the notepad, can you able to open this file?
Sir, open అవుతుంది సార్.
Then done, no issues. Okay. Carry on, guys. So now, guys, I'll open the again your file. So tomorrow, guys, I want you people to configure this all IP address.
For both this side and this side, both.
This side and this side, because I want you people to configure this side and this side. Okay, I'll write it on the heading for this.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
This is
Put
very
the question down,
basic
sir.
lab.
Did you say the lab?
Okay, this is a lab 2.
That's our homework for tomorrow.
Okay, the first thing is so assigning the IP address for all interface. Okay, and the second one is configure clock rate to serial interface. And third one is So configure DHCP to both the routers. So, okay, so this is the task. Okay, this is a task, guys. So when I come tomorrow, guys, I want this all IP address to be connected. And this should be, so 192.168, this is 2.2/24. Correct?
Okay.
This should be my 2.3. And this should be my 3.4. So I must get, and don't assign manually. I want automatic. This should be 5.
Have you
I
sent a
want
lab?
Yeah, once if you're done, you have to send me tomorrow. So that
No,
I
but
can,
you haven't sent a lab yet.
sorry?
Have you sent the lab?
Yeah, already I
for
sent you, right?
packet tracing?
In the chat box.
It's only the configuration.
No, one side I have configured. Only one side I have configured. This side I have not configured. From this side, okay, let me put it the color as well. See this side, okay, this side, one network, okay, and other side is this side is different network. How many are there here? Network? There are totally 3 different network, guys. What is the network ID here? Network ID is
19. Which one, sir?
1.0. This is your network ID. So what is the network ID for this? So what is the network ID for these guys?
192.168.1.0.24.
And what is the network ID for this? 10.0.0./8. This is my network ID. Totally how many are there? You want me to send this file?
Yes.
Good design.
Yeah, that shows the standard. In Mexican we say perfecto. That means
What?
perfect. In Mexican we say perfecto.
Perfecto.
Then-
Okay.
Perfecto. English is perfect.
English is perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the IP addresses what we have assigned for the interface. Okay, I will save this file. Okay, so I will send you this file again. It look like good, right? Good design.
Yeah.
Okay, we can design from your side with however you want. Okay, so I will send you this file.
So which version packet tracer is it? 8.1?
Yeah. Same file I will send you guys. Okay. Okay, I think you have received, right?
Yeah.
PKT file. Open that. Open and check it out whether it is updated or not with the colors. And just when you open, just replace the existing file.
Yeah.
Did you got the colors?
packet tracer नहीं चले यार.
Okay, why?
Yeah,
I think I'm
packet
using version 8.1.1. You can see the version, right?
So you have the software कुछ छोटा ला है, small one. This is a small software because मेरा तो साला NetAcad से login है.
Ah,
But it's not logging in. I don't know, some issues.
yeah, maybe keep logging, it will come. First time it will show you the issues. Okay, and regarding the Lakshman, I think let me send you the link. Please download in your laptop. You want me to send right now, Lakshman?
Sir.
I think we can go to Net Academic here. Okay, we can log in from your Gmail. Okay, I will send you this in the chat box. From your Gmail, you can log in Cisco, or if you don't have the ID, just register. I'll send you the link. You can download and install in your laptop, Lakshman.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so the version, like whichever the latest one, just download and install. And it's a very powerful tool. What we had done just now, okay, if you see the physical how it's look like, okay, so where we can see this is a physical topology. See, Lakshman is look like this on the right. ఎలా ఉంటుంది చూడు.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు రెండు రౌటర్ మేము యూజ్ చేసాము, రెండు సెక్షన్ కనెక్షన్ ఇలా ఇస్తాం. ఇది దీనికి మేము ర్యాక్ అంటాము.
ఓకే.
ది ర్యాక్ లో ఇవన్నీ పవర్ కార్డ్ మేము యూజ్ చేసేది ఏంటి, ఎన్ని స్విచ్లు, రెండు స్విచ్లు, రెండు రౌటర్స్.
ఓకే.
This is a power card where we have connected. And see, this is a serial cable.
Okay.
This is serial cable. You can see, right? So this is a serial cable what we have connected. And these all are what? These are the PCs, end user devices, computers. PCs or your laptop.
Yes, sir. I have to go now.
Yes. Fine, guys. I think we have done for the date today now. Fine. Then see you tomorrow. I hope, I think today's sessions was good. Right?
Yes.
If you have any questions now, see you then tomorrow, guys. Let me stop the session. I'm live in YouTube.